Oh my fucking god, Zach, I'm running into a wall. Here, Zachy.
You have no helmet, dog. Why you have no helmet? Oh,
Wow. I got